Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle Chanel if this is your first time here, and today's video is going to be a renter-friendly DIY project. I wanted to spice up my kitchen just a little bit, and I decided to add that subway tile backsplash look. So watch me work, see how I did it, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get to this video. Okay, so jumping right in, I purchased the stick glue towel pieces from Amazon, and I purchased 10 pieces and it was $54. And I will say it was really easy and simple to apply this on my wall. They do give you directions on the back, so that is what I love, and they give you a nice visual of how everything is supposed to look and be placed. I love that the pieces of tile had that high gloss look. Even when I pulled back the piece of plastic that was on the front, it still was really shiny, and that's what I really love because it looks so realistic, and that's what I could appreciate. And on the back, you just peel back that little piece of paper or whatever, and then just make sure you start placing your pieces of tile on the wall to see where they should fit. And so just watch me work, and it's really simple. It really is. It's really easy to cut too, and that's what I could appreciate, that it was really simple to cut, because you're gonna have to cut pieces. So it's like a pieces of puzzle. It's like if you if you know how to put a puzzle together, you will know how to do this. So after I gave myself a blueprint on where everything should be placed, I made sure I cleaned the wall very good. Make sure all the grease is up, any oil, any dirt, whatever, and make sure it's dried completely before you start placing the tile on the wall. After the wall is completely dry, you can start pulling back the paper and get to sticking. And honestly, you really don't need me to tell you anything else, because you kind of can see what I'm doing. It's really simple. Also, it's really easy to bend too. So if you have an area where you need to you need the tile to bend, the tile will bend. So that's a plus about this also. So I sped up the video because really what I was doing was, it was kind of repetitive. So I kind of chopped the video up, but you can see what I'm doing. It's really not hard at all. So watch me work. Baby, I had to snatch that wig off because it was too hot on my back. So yeah, I had to get to work and I ain't had time to be sweating. So anyway, let's keep moving. All right, so right here is where I kind of struggled just a little bit because I had to just come to the realization that I was going to have to like cut everything into small pieces, but make sure that, it was neatly done. And it worked out. So, because it was like I was trying to work around the outlets. So that's what my thing was. So if you see me struggling a little bit, that's all it really was. I was just trying to make sure that it was done nice and neat. But it wasn't perfect, but it still looked good. I ain't gonna lie, it still looked good. So So I thought that it would be really cute if I added these little push lights under my cabinets to just, spice up my project a little more. And I purchased them from Shein. They were only $3 a piece. And they do take AAA batteries. I don't know how long that's going to last, but we'll see. Anyway, I love the fact that Shein has home stuff, and it's really affordable. So yeah, it was a cute touch to my project, I must say. And this is the finished product. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And I also got that little rug right there in the front of the stove. I got that from Shein also for $4. So yes, everything is pretty much affordable, and I'm really happy with how it came out. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you like my work. And I will see you all in the next video.